Hello, welcome to the Alarm Setup Tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to talk about the Siren feature. You should have an AI detection method already configured. If you haven't done so, you could consult other videos about this subject on our channel. As always, we need to log in and open the Setup menu. Go to Siren under the Alarm category. Flip the Enable switch to On. Here, we've just enabled Siren for Channel 1. The siren will sound whenever the active detection gets triggered. Repeat this for other channels if desired. That is all you need to do for the basic siren to work. However, there are ways to further customize this feature. The cameras come with two common siren sounds you can choose from. You can also import your own sound clip by picking user-defined. Insert a USB drive containing the sound clip and click Import. The sound clip must be a .wav file that has 8,000 Hz sample rate and 16-bit encode. This is the adjustment slider for how loud the siren goes. Here you can specify the duration in seconds. This is where you set up scheduling for the siren. Let's say we want the siren to be off during the day from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Select the detection method you configured. Remove the unwanted time blocks. Save the schedule. Then hit Apply to finalize. For tutorials on other types of alarm, such as Deterrence Light and email alerts, be sure to check out other upcoming videos in the series on our channel. That's it. Class dismissed.